Hello, all. Good morning, good evening, or good afternoon, based on wherever you are. So, today, as we are talking about Business Central 25, we'll talk about the drag and drop multiple files. Now, just don't leave it if you know about it. We'll talk in detail where it is available and how you can kind of add it into your custom application if you need it. So, as I do every time before I start my session, I request people to subscribe to the channel. And I got an interesting question last week that why you say that. So here is the metrics that comes out from the YouTube channel. It seems the people who are watching the content, thank you for those, for everyone, but only 19% of the people have subscribed to the channel, and there are more than 80% who haven't subscribed to the channel. So I'll again humbly request you, if you are in that 80% pool, please subscribe to the channel as we keep talking about Business Central into this channel, and we'll surely talk about other things also. Okay, but without wasting further time, let's get into it. So what happened in the previous release, Microsoft did announce the drag and drop capabilities on how you can kind of have capabilities where users can drag and drop multiple files into their the select file dialog. So in the previous release that was announced, and it seems it's needed, as it doesn't seem, it is needed when you have to drag multiple files into a particular record and things like that. Now there are different use cases for it. You can either attach it into the Business Central database in the document sections and all, or if you are building a custom connector where it can upload to SharePoint or Azure file servers and other things, it's easier if you can drag and drop multiple files into it. So let's look at it, what Microsoft have done into this release. Microsoft allows you to do it in 3 different areas by standard Microsoft. One on document attachment list FactBox, which is available in the attachment panel of every record. Then also on the incoming document file FactBox, where you can load the incoming documents, and then also on the email editor. So we'll just review it, how it has changed, and then I'll talk about how you can do it on a custom entity. So when you go to a record, let's go into the customer, and I'll have to find the files that I can import. And what file should I choose? That's a good thing. Okay, I'll choose 2 files. Okay, here now if you see till Business Central 24 you did not see the fact box here, but now it's being displayed here, which shows you how many files are attached to this record. The attachment process does not impact this piece, so if I try to drag 2 files into it, it'll not upload it here, it's just gonna open it. But to attach multiple files, you can click on that 0, and then if you say attach files, it'll still say drop a file to upload here. So the behavior of this part have not changed, but there's a new action added to upload files. When you click on it, you now can technically select 2 files or multiple files. In that case, click on it and upload those files into your attachment document panel, and they will also be visible here. That's one area. Otherwise, if you go into, let's go from somewhere to the email editor window, or let me just directly go into the email editor, compose email, I guess. Okay, so if I come into compose email and I fill in my detail, and you can come from any other business processes to this page. Now you have add files, not add file. So when you click on it, again you can drop files here. So I can drop multiple files here and they'll get attached into my email. And the same feature is available into the incoming document area of Business Central, standard Business Central. So this will then also allow you, and let me go back here on the customers. This will also allow you from here to open that in OneDrive, share it, download, or delete the file if needed. And you can do multiple delete. I have tested this. Now, same for the incoming document file and email editor as I talked about. But if you are trying to build it on a custom entity that you have, then we did talk about it previously, and I'll add the link to this video into the description and the pinned comment of this video. In this video there is the whole code of how you actually achieve this. So, and I'm trying to do it on attached document, and surprisingly Microsoft did in the same way. But you will be able to understand how you write the code. The code is available on the GitHub, and the link of the GitHub will be available here. So the source code is available if you are interested into it. And then here it kind of goes through the every part of the process, how you can upload multiple files. So if you have custom entity, you can surely use it, where you can then drag multiple files into it and it attaches it. So with this, you will be able to attach multiple files into different areas in Business Central, or the customization that you have done. And we have talked about where it is available in the standard nav of Business Central. So you know the drill. If you like the content, hit the like button. If you think that others will find it useful, share it on your social media account. And if you haven't, as I said in the beginning, if you are in that 80% pool, please do subscribe to the channel. It helps us to understand how we are growing, are we doing things right, or if you have any kind of feedback, add it into the comments. I'll see you sooner than later into the next video in this series. Till then, stay connected, keep learning, and keep sharing whatever you're learning. Thank you. Have a nice day.